channel release on Netflix, let's start the video now. Netflix has eventually launched Lucifer Season 5 Part 2, which results up in a big cliffhanger with modifications in the collection in advance of Lucifer Season 6. When Lucifer Morningstar's dual brother Michael made his debut with inside the 5th season, it turned into Simplest, the start of what could be a game-converting season for the DC Vertigo drama. While Lucifer had lower back to hell in Lucifer Season 4, Michael ended up posing up as him in the state-of-the-art season. Simplest to motive quite a few hassles for his devilish brother. After God formally retires and reunites together along with his ex-wife the Goddess, he movements to her universe. By doing so, he left the angelic siblings to determine who could turn out to be his successor among Lucifer and Michael. In the 16th episode of Lucifer Season 5, titled A Chance at Happy Ending, Michael attempts to suggest Lucifer with a purpose to keep away from having to visit conflict. If he agreed to permit his duel be the brand new god, Michael could permit Lucifer to turn out to be Hell's ruler once for all. As a manipulative bonus, Michael tells Lucifer that Chloe can be capable of being part of him in Hell. After Michael had Dan Espinosa murdered with inside the preceding episode, he did to fill Chloe's soul so she could visit Hell every time she dies. Michael additionally had Remiel killed after coming across and turned into seeking to assist Lucifer as his spy. Also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates. But Michael finally ends up killing Chloe, who overcomes her guilt over her ex-husband's loss of life and is going to heaven, in which she sees her father. Her loss of life reasons the conflict among the angels and demons, and at the same time as a heartbroken Lucifer travels to heaven to carry Chloe return to life. Even though Lucifer was banished, the fallen angel nevertheless controlled to go into heaven somehow. Having forgotten turned into sporting Lilith's immortality ring, Lucifer makes it in turn to carry Chloe returned. But Lilith's ring Simplest had sufficient electricity for one in every of them to go back to Earth, as Lucifer sacrifices himself to resurrect Chloe. As she is revived, nevertheless retaining Amandiel's key in her hand, a celestial-powered Chloe nearly kills Michael earlier than Lucifer emerges. Instead of finishing Michael's life, Lucifer makes use of Azrael's brother's wing as punishment. Lucifer Season 5 ends with every person kneeling earlier than Lucifer, accepting him as the brand new god. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more Netflix movies, web series reviews, news and updates, please visit our website www.releaseonnetflix.com, and if you like our videos then hit the like button and share with your friends. Also, to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Release on Netflix.